Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I received a package from Ami, Japan. And of course, you know it's gonna be something Re-Ment related, right? But what type of Re-Ment set did I get this time? Let's open up and find out. Here we go. Okay, so I got this set. It's called the Mangetsu-Dou. So it's a Japanese sweets shop. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of cute Japanese sweets in it. Look at this box. Now of course you can create a diorama. Okay, let's open up. Let me see. After you open up, you see there is a piece of paper. I believe this is the wall, I believe, and then this is the entrance to the shop. So you can create your little diorama of this shop, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so let me take out the first box and see what the first box is. Okay, let me see. So the first box we got, it's called the Shokunin Waza ga Hikaru Nerikiri. So nerikiri is a type of Japanese sweets or wagashi. It's made by kneading and mixing sweetened white bean jam, Chinese yam, and glutinous rice flour. So the first box, it translates to a shop where you can find a lot of the beautiful sweet craftsmanship. Oh my goodness, look at all these nerikiri. They are so beautiful. And of course, inside each Re-Ment box, you also can find the mini sheets with some of the fun things that you can cut out. And I will review those later and cut them out. Okay, the second box we have. Let me see if this set of Re-Ment toys is in order. So far, it's in order. So this is the second box that I pulled from the box. Let me see. So the second box we have, it's called the... So in Japanese, it says Osusume wa kisetsu gentei no ichigo daifuku. And in English, it says daifuku. The Japanese translates to the recommended seasonal strawberry daifuku. Daifuku, it's like a mochi. Daifuku literally translates to good luck. This is a mochi or like a confection consisting of a small round mochi. Mochi is glutinous rice cake stuffed with sweet filling, most commonly anko. So anko is red bean. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, I want to eat daifuku right now. So delicious. The third box we have is called the Suzushige na Hinyari Sweets. In English, it says warabi mochi. What is warabi mochi? Warabi mochi is a cold, sort of like a chilled, chewy, jelly-like mochi covered with sweet and nutty soybean powder and drizzled with kuromitsu. Kuromitsu is black sugar syrup. This looks very delicious. I've never tried warabi mochi before, but I've seen it and it looks good. If I ever go back to Japan again, I'm definitely going to try it. In English, it translates to refreshing, cool sweets. Definitely, I will eat that during the summer. It looks so delicious. Okay, I'm gonna put it to go in this to-go box and bring it home and enjoy. The fourth box we have is called the Kisei no Kaidashi. That means shopping for home return. Basically, you know how in Japan, whenever you go on business trip or whenever you return from a trip, you would buy something called the omiyage, which is a souvenir. It looks like this is what's going on. So when you, let's say, go on a trip, you buy the omiyage back home and you're basically shopping for these sweets and bring it back home. And in English, it says rakugan. What is rakugan? Rakugan is a Japanese sweet made of sugar and rice flour and molded into intricate hard candies. I think this is something that you use in Japanese tea ceremony. So I took Japanese tea ceremony classes or lessons in Japan, and I remember trying a variety of wagashi or this type of rakugan, and they were delicious. They were not too sweet and they're just perfect with the tea. Okay, so we have box 1, 2, 3, 4 all set up. And the next day, I unboxed box number 5 to number 8. So the fifth box, they call it the Ajijiman no Yakidango. In English, it says dango. So dango is like a mochi. The Japanese translates to delicious grilled dumpling. So you know how Rilakkuma always eats dango? So basically this is what he eats. And in this shop, it has a variety of delicious dangos. Look at how many dangos they serve at this shop. Dango always reminds me of fish balls. In Asia, especially in Hong Kong, they sell fish ball on the streets, and I love fish balls. They put like a stick on the fish ball and then you just buy it and then eat it on the street, and they're so good. This just resembles so much of fish balls because of the shape and of how they look like, but of course they are completely different. This one is sweet, the other one is savory, so they're completely different, but they are both equally very delicious. Okay, let me put the dango inside this shelf. Nice. Okay, the next box, box number 6. We have, it's called the Medetai ni wa Kohaku Manju. In English, it says manju. The Japanese translates to red and white steamed buns on auspicious days. Manju is sort of like in the kanji, the Chinese character. I'm translating just by reading the kanji, the Chinese character in Chinese, it translates to like a bun. That's not sweet, it's just like a regular bun. But of course, buns inside can be sweet. But in Japanese, manju is more like a Japanese confection. Is sweet. It's not really just savory. Here they have the rabbit manju, the pink and the white color manju. And of course, it's inside this cute little green box. Inside this manjus, typically they have anko, or the red bean, or atsuki beans and sugar. We also have different colors candy, the green, yellow, and pink candies in this candy jar. And also we have this little rabbit. Look at how cute this rabbit is. Usually they have the maneko neki in the shop, but because this shop's logo is rabbit, so they have rabbit instead of the cat. Okay, the 7th box is called the Dono ohagi ni shiyou kana. In English, it says ohagi. So what is ohagi? Ohagi is like a Japanese sweet that is made of glutinous rice and red bean paste. Oh my goodness, this ohagi looks so good. It looks like we have the red bean paste ohagi, and then looks like the black sesame ohagi, and maybe the soybean flour ohagi. I'm not sure. In Japan, I noticed there's a lot of anko in their sweets. So anko is red bean. I remember when I first arrived in Japan, so my predecessor, she loves anko mochi. I don't know what anko is, so I kept on asking some of the Japanese that I encountered, ask what is anko, and they weren't able to really explain to me. But I figured out in the end what anko is. So anko is red bean, and I guess if someone asks me what anko is, I can't really explain how to say it's red bean. It's red bean is sort of like a dessert. I think that would be how I describe it, but I mean I don't really know how to explain it either. Okay, the last box we have, it's called the Anmitsu tabete ichi yasumi. In English, it says anmitsu. The translation of this Japanese title is eat anmitsu and relax. So what is anmitsu? Anmitsu is a summer dessert that's made of gelatin jelly, or sweet azuki bean paste, mochi, and then it has a lot of different fruits, ice cream, etc. And then you will pour some black sugar syrup or the kuromitsu on it. It's a very delicious dessert that you can eat during the summer. Okay, so that's all for today's unboxing video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye!